Hello everyone, my name is Eric Buckenmeyer. I'm a librarian with JMRL at the Central Library. Today I'm going to show you one of our cool learning kits that we have, specifically the Sphero kit. So if you ever want more information about the Sphero kit and you have one of them on hand, you'll see there's this handy little tag. It's got a picture and the name of the kit, and then on the inside, on the other side of the kit, you can read the contents list as well. So you can see everything that's supposed to be in the box and whether or not any pieces are missing. So the Sphero kit contains a few pieces. The first one is a handy little informational packet that gives you everything you need to get started with using the Sphero. We've added in a couple extra pieces ourselves. For instance, this QR code, which you can scan with your phone and go to the Sphero website. That'll give you more activities and more information about how to get started, how to use your Sphero. And so this is just very handy. It's got a lot of different pieces in it that can be really helpful to get started. Then we can move on to the Sphero itself. So the Sphero is kept in this little hard case. We've also got the charging cable here. We'll talk about that a little further towards the end. So within the hard case, you have the Sphero itself. It's just a little ball. And then we also have a bunch of these little bowling pins. And some traffic cones. And then the block for the charging cable. So the Sphero requires an app to use, so you will need a smartphone or some kind of smart device that can handle that. There are two apps. There's the Sphero Play and Sphero EDU apps. So the Sphero Play app is really good for just kind of playing around, playing games with the Sphero. It's a really nice introduction. The Sphero EDU app can do a lot of the same things that the Sphero Play app can do, but it's also got a lot of extra features that can help you learn about things like robotics and programming. So those are both, so you can kind of pick which app you want to use based on that. So I have the Sphero EDU app on my phone, and I'm gonna bring up the drive function. It's gonna ask me to connect to the Sphero. So I go ahead and connect, and you see that it lit up. And so now I have control of the Sphero. I can tell it what color to be even, or what color the light should be. Come on now. There you go. So I'm going to pick that one because I like that color. Or I guess it'll just do what it wants. That's all right too. And I can actually change the color as well to whatever I would like it to be from the drive screen. And then I'm actually going to drive it around a little bit. It definitely drives better on carpet than it does on harder surfaces. So it is a little bit challenging, especially here. Man, I'm really just trying to get it to hit the oh good. It almost went on the floor there. There we go. Finally got a couple of those bowling pins. So yeah, it's a very fun little thing to play with. It's a great introduction to programming and robotics, as I said earlier. If it doesn't work when you get it the first time, then it probably just needs its battery charged. So to do that, you can just pop open the outer shell to get at the actual little robot inside. And then there's a charging port on the back. So you just plug the charging cable in and then plug the charging cable into the wall like you would for your phone or any other smart device. And that is pretty much the Sphero kit. Thanks for watching. And if you want any more information, you can go to jmrl.org to find more information on this kit and other really cool kits that we have available. Thanks for watching.